Today I would like to introduce new product. It's made by ELEGEAR ultralight thermal sleeping pad series. So I'm going to unbox, and it's the first time I'm using it. It's going to be easier for you to understand how easy to use. So open it. Here is a case. It's called ELEGEAR. ELEGEAR is a sleeping pad. Thickness is 4 inches, and here's the lock. With 9R value insulation, the ELEGEAR sleeping pad is suitable for all season use. First time using. Oh. This sleeping pad balance portability, it's very light. And comfort perfectly. Here's instruction. So this bag ideal for camping enthusiasts, for backpackers, hikers. So let's do it this way. So how can you inflate it? Of course you can use your mouse like this, but it's actually here the device. You won't believe it how it's supposed to work. Open this valve, meet another end of valve like this. And voila! You don't need a pump, electrical pump or hand pump. If you're in the woods, you need to just use this kind of device to get inflated. The last push, I don't want to overinflate it. Oh yeah, it's I think it's more than enough. Remove device, hold the hole, and here's the wider part. Here's the narrow, so I guess head, toe, head, feet, and here's the 2 colors. And let me see. Oh, very comfy. Very comfy, soft and firm same time. Awesome. So it's made by ELEGEAR R9, so we can use it anytime in season. So let me put in my tin, and we'll see how it's in the tin. Woo! Awesome! Awesome. So when you're done camping, you can inflate it doing opposite. Just pull the plug off. 1, 2. Pull it that way. Roll it. It's totally inflated. Then fold again. Actually, we can use other side. Yeah. Fold again and roll it. Roll it. Close the valve. Get back on this case. Lock it, and everything goes together back in the case, and you are done. That's it. It's a ELEGEAR, made by ELEGEAR, R9, 4 inches thick, very light, very comfortable, easy to use. Buy it, description below.